morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading in the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. I'm currently looking at Facebook. We had a gap up this morning, and a gap up simply means that the price of the stock opened at a higher price than it closed the previous day. So we had a nice gap up this morning, but I am expecting the price of Facebook to decline, so I am going to wait for the ideal setup. Let's see what happens with the price action. So I am now in the trade. I bought 6 put contracts at 134, and I am expecting the price to continue lower. Let's see what happens. I am now all out of the trade for a $152 profit, which equated to about a 20% gain. So not too bad overall. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade, and if you did, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.